Life Dividend presents Life Settlements, providing absolute returns. As a sophisticated investor, are you anxious about the effect a widely forecasted economic stall will have on your portfolio? What about the impact of a potential misguided policy of our new president? A Federal Reserve misstep? A geopolitical or terrorist event? What if more than one of these things happen? What if you just looked at Warren Buffett's favorite valuation measure and discovered that stocks have only been more overvalued once in the history of the Buffett indicator? In 2000, when the dot-com bubble burst and the Dow lost 38% of its total value, with the Nasdaq plummeting 78%. Now, what if I told you there was an alternative asset that averages double-digit, non-correlated returns that has recently become available to individual accredited investors? An asset that institutional investors like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, Goldman Sachs, Fortress, Blackstone, Apollo, UBS, Merrill Lynch, Morgan Stanley, Wells Fargo, and several U.S., Canadian, and New Zealand pension plans have already invested more than $35 billion and invest $2 billion more each year. The alternative investment we're talking about is what's known as a life settlement. Bloomberg stated, life settlements are the only asset that can be truly said to provide absolute returns. They are not correlated to any trade market, whether stock, bond, currency, or commodity markets, nor political or economic upheaval. The Wall Street Journal noted, institutional investors recognize that the return of their principal and the return on their principal are contractual obligations of highly rated insurance companies and are not subject to any market or economic considerations. In this era of protracted low interest rates and stock market volatility, life settlements provide high investment grade double-digit yields with known buy-in and payout amounts not dissimilar to a AAA zero-coupon bond with a 65% total yield to maturity. If you're an accredited investor and would like to learn more about life settlements, simply click the button below and fill out the form provided. We will be in touch shortly to answer any questions you may have. Don't wait. It's not often that we get to ride alongside the Warren Buffetts and Bill Gates in the investment world. Click the button below to get started today.